Hello everybody, welcome to Astraeakeva. This is a painting video. It's actually a tutorial, which I'm not going to go through that much, but it's available on my Patreon and you can watch the full tutorial plus get most of the files like the Photoshop files and other things. So as well as my brushes, my line art brushes and my painting brushes, but let's skip all of that. So in today's video, I wanted to talk about something that every single person, whether they're artist or not, goes through. This is normal life for every person on this planet, and that is either artist block, work block, life block. How do I handle these things when it feels like things aren't working out the way that I plan and I just want to give up? So yeah, let's talk about that today. I made a post a while ago. I was talking about it and I watched this video of this new, I'm not saying new, an artist that I look up to, and he was saying that there's no such thing as artist block or art block. And there was a part of me that just didn't know how to process what he was saying, because I both agreed with him and also disagreed with him. Yeah, I know it's kind of weird, like, what? But I'm actually quite a realist. I'm not going to go too much in depth about my faith and all of that, but yeah, I do have a belief system and all of that, but with all of that, I don't live in a fantasy world. I am a realist, and I know that people lose their spark, okay? I know that people do lose that ability to want to do something. But at the same time, I think about people who have like a structured job, right? Like I'm a freelancer, right? And I can do whatever I want, whenever I want. But think about people who have to wake up at like 5:30. Okay, I wake up at 5:30. But people who have to leave their houses to go to work, they still go to work and they have to get paid. They have to do what they have to do. So if I were to put myself into their shoes and for example, I was working for a company and that company paid me as an artist, would I have the same mentality? Will I have the same thought process about my artwork? I did talk about art being kind of subjective and creative, but these are the things I thought about when I was thinking about artist block. So this is my conclusion, okay? I accept that art blocks exist, but I try to find various ways to overcome them. So I'm just going to give you guys a list of 4 things that I do when I feel like I can't create and I don't have the inspiration or something like that. So this is what I do. Number 1, I started my 365 days of art. Yes, it's still ongoing. I have not posted in a few days because I'm working on like a continuation of my last art piece. So it will be up soon, don't worry. Because I hate not finishing things that I start. Even if I finish them badly, I force myself to finish them. And I do it every single day. Maybe it's in my personality, maybe it's just how I am, but I don't like not finishing what I start. I mean, I studied mechanical engineering in university. I have to finish what I start. So that's kind of why I don't care about how my art looks, because even after I post it online, I can still edit it. I can still fix it. So that's another thing. Number 2, I watch a whole bunch of tutorial videos. Majority of the time I found out that I procrastinate a lot, or I feel like I'm not inspired because I'm not good at something specific. So I used to think that I believed and I know I sucked at drawing hands, okay? But I still binged watch a whole bunch of tutorials, and although I'm not at the point that I want it to be, I'm more comfortable creating and drawing hands now than I was in the past. So number 3, I observe other artists' work and watch them create work. Some part of inspiration why I created my YouTube channel was to inspire other artists too, because I do watch a whole art process videos on YouTube and ArtStation and other teaching sites, and I signed up to a whole bunch of courses, which I'm really happy I did. And when I watch the content and I observe how they render their work, after that I try what they do, and it works out pretty well. So I overcome the art block that way. Number 4, I watch a whole bunch of movies, listen to music, read books and comics. I would say all of these things that I just said, movies, music, books, comics, are just different mediums of telling a story. And so if I watch those, maybe I can create my story through my artwork. So that's kind of why I do it. And maybe if I watch a movie, I can create fan art for it and all of that. So these are the things that I do. And I would say last but not least, the most important one is just do it. Just stand up and do it. I tend to, like I said, I have this mindset that if I start something, I have to finish it. So my biggest obstacle is to just start it. So that's kind of why I just do it, and I end up creating whatever I create at the end of the day. So that is all for this for this topic. But anyway, talking about the artwork that I'm creating above, these are some tutorials that I created for my Patreon account. Not all of them, but some. And if you're interested, it's tier 1. The tutorials, they'll always be up, so you can check it out, and you can get the voiceover tutorial. It's about an hour or so long with the demos, and it's also you also get my brushes, so both my painting brushes, my most used brushes, as well as my line art brushes, and also the images and also the references. So yeah, all of these things will be up on my Patreon by the time this video is up, and you can check it out, follow the tutorial, follow the demo, and try it out for yourself and succeed in your art journey. I'm really happy for the people that signed up, and so thank you so much for your support. It's on my way to become a full-time artist. Yeah. But yes, if you guys are interested, feel free to comment and give me your thoughts about what I spoke about in today's video, and subscribe, like, share. I also put up some short tutorials on YouTube anyway, so it's for free, so you don't have to worry about paying for it. And other than that, I hope you guys have a great day. Happy studying. Don't give up. Continue studying. And yeah, have a great day, everybody. Bye.